Good morning. I'm in this beautiful little park right outside of the heart of downtown LA, which I did not expect there to be this pretty little area. I'm here to meet a friend, but I got an hour to kill, so let's go explore. What the frick? Okay, this is a pine needle tree, but this is not pine tree bark. What the frick, California?
I know, welcome. How are you?
Good, how are you? Oh gosh, yep, this is perfect lighting. Yeah, yowzes. Well, as beautiful as it is here, we were both talking and decided, darn it, we want to go to the beach.
It's a beautiful sunny day.
Exactly. This is much better. It's a beach kind of day, it really is.
Sunny. Clouds are not existent because the sky's blue.
I know. And it's just perfect temperature. Woo! I feel like I should like take a stick and like bong 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 bong. The fact that it doesn't do that is almost unshareable. Please be sure to share that pun with all your friends. I cannot believe how perfect today is. Like, it's gorgeous. Yes, I'm back here at the only spot I've ever eaten at in Santa Monica.
I've never been here, so
It's good.
pretty good though.
The watermelon gelato. Oh my god. Boo! You wanna know why that was classified as a high five?
Why?
Because it was his palm.
Oh!
Sorry, that was tremendously bad. The struggle with Santa Monica is it's so pretty that you never want to leave, even when the time on your parking meter is running out.
Running out, like us.
I'm keeping that in! But thankfully, even the way to leave is beautiful. So I am going to introduce her to Hamilton. This is happening. You're gonna listen to it.
I'm excited.
He's constantly confusing, confounding the British henchmen.
In 2 miles, take exit of...
I'm taking this horse for the brains, making red coats weather with blood stains. And I'm never gonna stop until I make a jump up and I'm up and scatter the remains on. Watch me engage and I'm escaping, I'm enraging, I'm out. I go to France for more fun. I come back with more guns and ships, and so the balance shifts. So he knows what to do in the trenches, you know it if everyone can finish on me. So you're gonna have to use them eventually. What's he gonna do on the bench for me? No one has more resilience or matches my practical tactical brilliance. You wanna fight for your land back?
Be my right hand man back.
Yeah, get your right hand man back. You know you gotta get your right hand man back. You gotta put the button to the letter, but the sooner the better to get your right hand man back.
Alexander Hamilton.
Yeah, see you later. Bye. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. And my voice is completely shot from belting out Hamilton in the car. Oh man, I think I got her hooked on it though, so. So I'd say today has been a really successful day. But you know what? The sun's still in the sky. So. Hey, so I gotta admit, the whole reason I really wanted to go on this bike ride was to test out this new bike mount, but and that, kids, is why you always bring backup. Ha ha ha. Something to say, make me go, hey, hey, I fall in love with you. My heart goes, ooh, Oh my gosh, I am sweaty and tired and sore. But I got some editing to do. It's my life.
Hey guys, it's Danielle, aka the best adopted sister in the entire universe, and I just want to remind you to stay positive.
So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Be like you.
Is that good? I hope it's good. How are you doing, Chris? How you doing, friend? You can just cut this part out, but how you doing? By the way, I have the best idea for an EC's, like, expansion, like, thing. It's really good. Yes. Okay, I'm done. Bye.